Okay, so I decided to take the alternator off, and I'm gonna try and clean it up or see if I can fix it. I double checked the price on it and it's $540. So it's worth me trying to check it out. I'm gonna take it off, take it apart, and see if I can find something wrong with it. If not, I'll take it and there's a company that'll rebuild it for me. So let's get to it. Oh, there we go. Should come off. I don't want to lose that nut in the back. So I have to put a wrench in the backside. Ooh. There's a washer that came off. I'll try to grab it when I pull this out. Okay, that's out. There's a connector in the back. This should pull right off. I'm just gonna wedge that up. Come on, baby. There we go. Okay. All right. There's two connectors. I can get these off. There we go. That's one. Now it's pretty corroded, so I don't know. I'm hoping one of these is the issue. Alright, got it off. Yeah, so it's pretty dirty back here. You can see it probably just needs to be cleaned. I'll take this off. Okay, there's a washer that fell. I don't know if I can retrieve it back here. Dang, might have lost that bugger. Oh well, I got more washers. I just it's gone. Well, this is pretty dirty in there, so I'll clean that off, and you can see how dirty that is. I mean, it's caked with just gunk, and that's not good. Okay, let's clean this up. I think I got it working. I cleaned it all up, just blew it out with air, cleaned the back terminal here, this little terminal. Looks like this is the voltage regulator that's built into it. So I just rigged up this little socket here. I didn't have a big enough adapter for this, but I just want to get this to turn. So that's the way to test the voltage on it. So let's see. That's the power, and I'm gonna ground it. So you can see, it's like 1.4 millivolts. And I'm gonna throw this on there and get it to spin. And you can see it's going up now. Oh yeah, it's producing a bunch. So it's, at this speed, 0.4 of a volt, half a volt. You can see when I drop it down, it goes back down to millivolts. Let's see again. Jumps up. So it is producing power. All right, guys, so I think something's up with the voltage regulator. The unit is actually producing power, but it's only half a volt, maybe a 1 volt, so not much. So I'm gonna take it in, have it rebuilt, and get her back on. All right. Okay, guys, so check this out. I got it back from the rebuilders. I took it to a local shop to get it rebuilt, and they did an awesome job. I mean, they even waterproofed it for me. They coated the pulley. They cleaned up the body of it. You can see, coated some of the internals to help with the water, and totally rebuilt it for 180 bucks. So that's a deal. I mean, to buy a new one is $540 from Cat. Yeah, pretty pricey. So rebuilding it was the way to go. I would have done it myself, but it would have taken too long, and this is not for farm use. This is for commercial use. So took it to the professionals and they did it right. They gave me a 1-year warranty on it, which was nice. Great guys down there at Kona Rebuilders. Looks awesome. They cleaned up the body and put a new regulator in it, and I mean new bolts, and I mean they did a lot to it. So awesome job to those guys. And I'm gonna install it and see how it works. Let's get to it. Okay, so the old battery wouldn't charge up, so I ended up getting a new battery, slipped it in there. I'm just gonna tighten it all down and I'm gonna get going. All right, so I got it all locked down. You always want to put grease on the positive terminal, you know, make sure it's clean first. So I did clean this before, so keep it from corroding and rusting any more than it is. So just soak it there. Just the normal grease that you grease the machine with works good. All right, let's cover back on. All right, she's ready to go. This bad boy up and running again. It's running good. It's nice. Alright, that's a nice load of rock right here. I'm just gonna dump this right off the side of that road I came up. It's kind of a ways, but I have really nowhere else to dump it around here. I don't need this rock. It's too big. Faster way to get here. I'm just gonna tear up the yard, that's the problem. So I could go down this little pathway I made, but I'm really gonna tear up the yard doing that right over here. Yeah, it's so much faster, it's right there, but yeah, fixing the yard is gonna be a nightmare. Okay, so gonna have to go down in here somewhere. Right in this pit. It's a good spot. I'm gonna watch the water line here. Alright, perfect. grab this dirt anyway. I was gonna use this to plant the banana trees that I got, but it looks like I got enough dirt in that section. So I'm gonna use as much as I can of this to pass right along that edge. My wife wants some flowers right along the border of that wall. Be careful not to dump this stuff everywhere. It's a pretty cool day.